Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. I hope you all recognize this plant. Yes, this is the aloe vera plant. Thanks to the exceptional level of drought tolerance, aloe vera makes an excellent addition to a low water garden or xeriscape. As you know, Delhi is a semi-desert and it has water scarcity. And in the places where there are less water, you can easily grow this aloe vera plant. Previously, we have made a lot of videos about aloe vera plant, about how to grow, how to take care, and even its benefits. But today, I will tell you how to make the use of aloe vera flower. Today, I will tell you its benefits and how to use it. Not only do bees love these aloe vera flowers, but we do too. Aloe vera is known for treating sunburns and cuts. But did you know that such lovely flowers grew from them as well? My mom always plucked some aloe vera flowers and beautifully decorated her house with it. But today I will tell you how you can use these aloe vera in skincare. So first you must collect some mature aloe vera flowers. And then take a healthy aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera is a plant that allows us to create various varieties of skincare products. First, my mom took a thick bottom pan and put it on low heat. Then my mom put some coconut oil in it. Then you must simply add some fresh aloe vera gel. Stir it properly and always keep in mind to keep it in low flame. Then you must let it boil with a cover. Aloe vera is cultivated as a decorative plant and in turn gives uses to the leaves and flower to use in cosmetics or food and in most countries for medicinal use. Now you should add a handful of fresh aloe vera flowers. And now let it boil until all the moisturizer is gone. Slowly but steadily you will notice that the oil colors will change to light yellow to yellow. Never let the flowers burn. Now you must stop it and let it cool down naturally. First stain it and put it in a jar. Then you must add 2 special ingredients to make it a special oil. But if you don't want to add those 2 ingredients, you don't have to. You can just use it like this. You can use it in your body and in your hair. But my mom will add the special liquid, which is 5 ml of glycerin. And my mom is also adding 2 vitamin E capsule. At last, you can finally stir it well, and then you can use this up to 3 to 6 months. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.